Hey there, Hugo from Toytech Lifts in Denver, Colorado. Today, we want to talk to you about upper control arms, different brands and designs that are available for you in the market. First, we want to talk to you about the upper control arm construction. We have two very similar upper control arms over here, Allman Emu and Tough Country. These two upper control arms have a tubular structure, which is beneficial to help you clear larger tires. The Allman Emu upper control arm will offer you a forged ball joint cup, and Tough Country will offer you a welded ball joint cup. Next, we want to talk to you about SPC upper control arms and Toytech boxed upper control arms. With the SPC upper control arm, you will find a forged steel construction. With the Toytech, you will find a laser cut bent steel with a box design. These two upper control arms are more high performance oriented. Now, let's talk about ball joints. With Tough Country upper control arms, you will find a light to medium duty ball joint, which is perfect for the daily driver, weekend warrior type adventurer. With these upper control arms, you can actually dial in your alignment properly once you get 3 to 4 inches of lift. With Allman Emu upper control arms, you will find a larger style ball joint, which is forged internally. Allman Emu ball joints or suspension components are mainly designed to carry a lot of weight or overlanding. Now, with their construction and geometry, make sure you don't exceed 2 to 2.5 inches of lift on the front end, or you're going to be sacrificing your caster number. With Toytech boxed upper control arms, these are designed for 2 to 3 inches of lift with a heavier duty ball joint, and their box construction will help you clearing larger style coilovers with remote reservoirs or up to 2.5 inch diameter suspension. With SPC, you may notice a difference. The ball joint is adjustable. The reason why is because SPC is actually an alignment company. With this style upper control arms, you can align your vehicle from 0 all the way up to 6 inches of lift, thanks to their 2 degrees of caster added to the upper control arm and their adjustable ball joint. With this adjustable ball joint, you can adjust your caster and camber. Now let's talk about bushings. With the Tough Country upper control arms, you will find an OEM style bushing which is fully regreasable, and the benefit of that is that you will extend its lifetime. With the Allman Emu upper control arm, you will find a gyro self-centering dual durometer bushing, which is maintenance free. With SPC, you will find another very unique bushing, which is the X-axis hind joint. It's technically a bearing inside or a joint inside covered on rubber, which allows you to have a little bit more of articulation on the frame side. With Toytech's boxed upper control arm, due to its high performance oriented design, you will find a poly bushing which is fully regreasable. Now, we do recommend to grease these bushings every oil change or every time they start squeaking to extend its lifetime. One thing to keep in mind is that aftermarket upper control arms are very important if you're planning on lifting your vehicle. All of these upper control arms are fantastic options, offering you different kinds of performance. If you have any questions or you need help deciding which upper control arm is the right one for your specific needs, please make sure to give us a call at Toytech Lifts in Denver, Colorado at 303-255-4959.